What's up, guys? I have two products that I want to feature in today's video. As you can see, they are both fans. They were sent to me by a company called NewAir, and after seeing a few of my videos, particularly the Vinta Garage videos, super cool of them to reach out in the first place, but then to send these on for me to overview for you guys was even cooler. I actually have a different 18-inch floor fan that's very similar to this, that gets a ton of use in my two-car garage, which is where I do most of the work on our cars. And I find these types of fans to be great for moving a lot of air very quickly. So if you're trying to push fumes out of a room, but also if you're trying to move cool air, which is primarily what I use it for, is just to stay comfortable when I'm working on the cars. These are both 3-speed fans. They can move up to 3,000 cubic feet per minute, so no shortage in power. And there are two different options that are available. There is the WindPro18F by NewAir, that's what this is, and there is the WindPro18W, which is the wall or ceiling mounted model. As you can see, this is a floor model, this is not. There's a bracket that's on the back that I'm actually using to prop the fan up right now. Spec-wise, these are almost identical. Again, they are 3-speed up to 3,000 cubic feet per minute. All metal construction. You have nice tabs on the side to be able to get in and clean up or change or repair the blade, and just very serviceable machines. The wall-mounted model does have a fully enclosed motor, so I'm planning on actually mounting this in the shop, probably right where Superman is, to be able to, number one, keep the shop nice and comfortable during those summer months when it gets kind of toasty, but also to help quickly push fumes or smoke or whatever out of the workshop, which will be really handy. What I'm going to do right now is turn these on so that you can hear the volume. Now, because these are moving so much air so quickly, they're not going to be the quietest things in the world, but I just want you to be able to hear the difference between the two. Again, this is a fully enclosed motor. It actually has a pull chain on it so that you can cycle through the different speeds, and the floor mounted model has a knob on the back. So let's go ahead and start with the floor model. I'll start on low speed and then increase it up to high, and then we'll shut it off, and I'll do the same for the wall mounted model. So low speed on this guy. So you can probably still hear me okay. The fan is moving a good bit of air. As you can see, again, this is low, so I will go ahead and turn this up to medium. So you can hear it ramp up a little bit there. Still, you can hear me. Not the quietest, but I've definitely heard louder. I believe the other floor mounted model that I have is louder than that. And so here we go with high. So significant ramp up there. I can definitely feel a difference in air moving, and there's this nice convenient handle on the back. Turn that off. And with that handle, I can simply tilt the fan any direction I want it. And again, you've got these little tabs you can pop on the side to access everything, to clean it, to service it. All around, these are just a really nice utility fan to have around the shop. So the wall mounted model, let's go ahead and hear that. This should be low. It seems maybe comparable. Medium. And high. Okay, so in terms of volume, I think they're very similar. Air movement is obviously the same specs apart from the motor housing difference. And the main reason I'm going with the wall-mounted model in my shop is because of that motor enclosure. I don't have to worry about sawdust or anything getting back in there, and I can just count on it to be a reliable source of comfort in the summer. So I think that will be a great option, and I think it's a great option for you guys. So where do these stand as far as price goes? The floor mounted model is coming in at $69.95, and the wall-mounted model, because of that extra convenience in the enclosure, is coming in around $79.95. But I will put a couple links in the description that if you use the code Anthony, so my name, you'll be able to get 20% off at checkout of these fans. And for a really nice, rigid, all-metal construction fan, something that's really serviceable, I think it's going to make a great addition to any shop. So again, this is the WindPro18W, so wall-mounted model, 3-speed up to 3000 CFM fan, and the floor model is going to be a great option for you as well if you're looking for that extra portability. If you have any questions about these two fans, or if you've used other NewAir products that you like and you're excited about, go ahead and drop a comment in the comments below. If you like these types of videos where I feature little products that make the shop more comfortable or more tolerable, let me know. I'll definitely go out and look for more of those, and we'll shoot some more videos for you guys, because I have a lot of little things in my shop that I use to make it nicer to work in. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all of my future content. I look to be coming out with a few 3D printing related videos soon. In a few weeks I'll be going to MRF here in Goshen, Indiana. It should be a blast. I hope to see you guys there. I'll see you guys on the internet or at MRF maybe. Take care.